Hi everyone, it's James here at Iron City Motorcycles in Gateshead, and I'd like to show you around this 24 plate Pan America Special. So here it is, Pan America Special, finished in vivid black. This bike is one owner from new, in just under 1,000 miles. It'll be due its 1K service, which will be carried out. This bike is in tip-top condition, as you'd expect for the miles. This is what we call stock, but it's far from stock in terms of what Harley-Davidson have put on this bike with the ride modes, off-road, on-road, rain mode and sport mode, which releases the full 154 brake horsepower from that 1250cc Rev Max engine. Currently sitting on its centre stand, and it also has the side stand also, which is just tucked nicely underneath, which is easy to get to from a rider's position as well. This bike has the laced spoke wheels with the dual front discs. Also has the adaptive ride height, which is a great feature on these bikes, which is self-adjustable. When you stop the bike will drop just around about an inch, and when you pull away, raises back to its position. The seat has two height settings on it as well. It's got a low and a medium, so you can truly get that great riding position. Great fun, these bikes really are. Adjustable front screen, which is currently at its highest point, which is dead easy to change while riding as well, just by lever operation. Indicators just placed in the front of the bike, LED front headlight and adaptive ride lighting as well. Adjustable levers for your brake and also for your clutch. Digital screen, which is touch screen as well, and you can link your phone to that via the Harley-Davidson HD app. Yeah, this bike is beautiful, and a great spec as well. So that was the Pan America. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like any more information on that model or any other models that we have in stock, check us out online via our website, call us in store, or come and visit us. Cheers now.